What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another video. If you're new to the channel, you don't know what's a vibe, make sure you stop the video right now, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Y'all already know what's up, man. It's just a quick video. I think this is gonna be a wrap. I think I'm done for now, man. This is all I got for it right here. Within my time frame and everything that I had, I think I made it pretty good. So this is the update right here. I got a hood for it. It's been some time because it looked a whole lot better than this, but that sun beating on it and need a paint job really bad. But yeah, so this is it. Let me close this hood for y'all so y'all can get the, there you go. So we got everything as close as we can with what we had to work with. So I think it's pretty good for what it was. I didn't even get to take no pictures of it or nothing. Yeah. So I think all the body gaps look good and stuff. So just tapping in with y'all, man. This ain't gonna be too long of a video. Just showing y'all exactly where I'm at with it. Sorry, you guys. I had to mute the audio. Copyright infringement purposes. Shout out Kendrick Lamar and what you got going on. Yes, sir. Oh man, they gonna copyright me. They gonna copyright me. Hopefully that wasn't too long, but Lord forgive me. But yeah, still running good. Just a little dusty, but yeah. All right, this right here, dude didn't even tell me that's why it was for a good deal. But you see these things right here, supposed to go all around the thing to clip in right here, but yeah, right here, but they don't have them drilled all the rest of the way. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I don't know if I'm gonna drill some holes right there or glue it. I don't know. Like I said, I'm gonna just let the owner know, or the next owner, possible buyer, know what's up and see what they want to do about it. But yeah, like I say, this is it. Everything is through to my liking. Yeah, man. Like I say, it's just gonna be a short, sweet video, just wrapping it up. Completed project. So here it is, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Y'all tell me if y'all like this type of stuff, which I don't think y'all do, compared, seeing as how the numbers ain't been showing. I don't think I got over 100 views on one of these Cruze videos, but I don't care. Like I said, I told y'all from the get-go, it's been something that I've been wanting to do. But yeah, this is just wrapping it up, showing y'all what's up. So I'm finna get ready and post this mug for sale. And like I said, I'll go over the breakdown and stuff in this video too, of what I've spent so far. And then I'll let y'all know. Well, actually, I don't know how I'll let y'all know. Maybe in a future video, like in one of my next videos, I'll let y'all know exactly how much the Cruze sold for. But yeah, man, that's it. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Yes, sir.